Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are nearby, unlocked, and paired so changes sync immediately. Once done, verify there's no pending watchOS or iOS update. Updates can change menu labels. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone for the clearest controls, or go directly to Settings on the watch if you prefer. This step gets you into the correct interface, so the downtime toggle and screen time options appear exactly where expected. Once inside screen time, you'll find downtime listed as a distinct setting. This is where access is limited. Tap downtime to reveal the schedule and the list of allowed apps. This explains why notifications and apps are restricted during set hours. If you want to disable downtime entirely, use the downtime toggle. If you only need temporary changes, edit the schedule or allowed apps. Make sure to check whether screen time is managed by family sharing, because that changes permissions and where you must make edits. To finish, switch the downtime toggle off or remove any scheduled hours so restrictions stop immediately. After you disable downtime, verify the setting on both the watch and the iPhone screen time panels to ensure they're synced. If the change doesn't apply, check family sharing. Managed accounts can override your control, then restart both devices and try again. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud on the iPhone. That often forces screen time policy refresh and resolves lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.